Folks, have you ever wondered if your RV salesman is telling you lies? Today I've got part 2 of Lies RV Salesman Will Tell You. We're going to be talking about 3 more lies that I hear come up frequently with RV shoppers. If you're new here, my name is Jacob. I'm a certified RV technician, and I've got a bunch of free resources. If you're shopping for RVs, you can get my Don't Buy a Lemon guide, which will help you identify manufacturing defects. Or if you already own an RV, you can get my 4-point Don't Get Stranded checklist, which will help you avoid 4 of the most common reasons that I get called out to RVs that are stuck. So let's dive into some more lies that you might hear when shopping RVs. The first type of lie would be inaccurate financing information. John wrote to me and said that he was told he could get financing for his RV with $0 down. It wasn't $0 down. It took like a month for him to get his RV, which he thought was odd. He found out later that apparently the owner of the RV dealership had gone to prison. They got caught falsifying MSRP data on the RVs. Probably my favorite financing story actually kind of bleeds over into the second type of lie, which is about RV extended warranties. Dana was explaining that they told her that the APR she was approved for was 8.74%, but they could swing a special deal. If she bought the extended warranty plan for the RV, they could get the APR on the note down to 6.99%. Apparently, the bank really wants to see this RV asset protected. She waited until Monday and called up the financial institution and asked if this was true. They said no. The salesman and the finance department were straight up lying to her about the policy of the bank to try and push her to get an extended warranty. What's really nuts is when she called them out on this, they just shrugged their shoulders and said, if you want 6.99% APR, you gotta buy the extended warranty. She told them she would sign it and buy it, but she was going to cancel the extended warranty the next day. The salesman didn't care because they still get a kickback from having sold the policy. Here's the truth about RV warranties and the RV industry. The first video I made that really started blowing up my channel was called 3 Dirty Secrets of the RV Industry. And the third secret is that the RV industry is really in the business of banking. That's why I get people telling me all the time that when they go to buy an RV and they offer cash, the price goes up like $6,000 or $8,000. The sales structure is incentivizing salesmen to push financing and extended warranties, which can be financed. If you've taken my RV shopping course, you would know that I recommend passing on extended warranties. The warranty is nearly useless, which is why they make so much money off of it. Like, it is a very profitable cash cow in the RV industry. I can't tell you how many times people have wanted me to come and repair their camper and have the extended warranty cover it, only to find that the extended warranty has some sort of exception or fine print as to why it doesn't cover this repair. Folks, if you're shopping RVs, I really recommend that you get my RV shopping course. Not only do I share a bunch of insider information on the shopping process, but I help you understand the nuts and bolts of how RVs are built and what's more likely to break and what I consider quality versus not. That way you don't have to rely on a salesman for technical information, which they have pretty much zero of. This leads me to my third type of lie, which is that the price of the RV is going to generally equal the quality of the RV. If you pay more, you get better quality. One of my viewers wrote to me that she was shopping for Super C RVs, and she had already seen that the Nexus brand had all the features that she wanted. The sales lady who was helping her was trying to show her RVs that were more expensive. My viewer would point out the Nexus also has that feature. Then the sales lady started pushing add-ons to try and get the out-the-door price that she wanted for the RV rather than just helping her get the RV that she wanted. As if that pushy sales tactic wasn't annoying enough, when she got to the finance department, the finance guy tried to pad the bottom line by increasing the APR of the note unnecessarily. Salesmen are very good at taking the number you tell them you want to pay and stretching it. And they want to tell you that the greater price equals greater quality, or more features, or blah, 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 blah. The best lie is a half-truth. Generally, are more expensive RVs better quality? Generally, yes. Is that always true? No. And sometimes there's just serious manufacturing defects that make the whole rig useless. The price of an RV is really not as much of an indicator of the quality of components in it as much as it is an indicator of the skill of the marketing department of that company. For my viewer who is shopping these high-end super Super CRVs, like the sales lady was trying to get her to increase her budget by like $100,000. But that $100,000 wasn't going to represent $100,000 of increased RV quality or reliability. Bottom line is it would be an increase in her commission. And if this wasn't all enough, believe it or not, folks, I have a lot more lies that salesmen will tell you coming up in future videos. Leave a comment below with what lies RV salesmen have told you. Click here for a playlist of all of my videos about how RV salesmen lie. Click here if you want to see all of my reviews undercover.